Hey, high leveler. In this video, we're going to be talking about a brand new feature that I think you're going to be excited about is the ability to save and publish different versions of your page builder in building your funnel and website, and also the ability to publish directly to a domain directly from your page builder as well. And for that, let's go and share my screen and let's get to it. All right, so we are in one of a funnel on my sub account, K Madison, and this is the Google My Funnel, which is the step one. And so let's go take a look at and edit this page. And as you can see here, if you click on this versions tab, there are various version history. So right now is the current version. So let's say hypothetically, um, if I were to go make a change, let's go and make a change on this page. I'm just going to go and make a slight change on this page and just add in maybe put a space there, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it, right? And if I go back to the versions, and as you can see, this is the live version, and this is the current version that we're working on editing. So previously, what we would have done is we would have to duplicate that step in the funnel, or if it's a page, we would duplicate the page and work on it while the page was live. And then now we have the ability to make any changes, but keep the version live. So when we are done ready with this version and making changes, then we can click here and then we can go ahead and publish that page. And as you can see now, it is live. So this feature is an awesome feature which enables us to not necessarily have to create a new page or a new step in a funnel or a new page. Okay, another cool feature that I want to discuss before we make this, before we finish up this video is let's just go ahead and create a new uh, funnel. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new funnel and I'm going to choose from a template here. And let's just create a new, let's just call it, let's call it the weight loss coach cancellation. Okay, and I'm gonna add the template here. And once we're done adding the template, then so another cool feature that's released relative to what we're talking about is when we go ahead and we're ready to publish this page, you now have the ability to select the domain directly from this page, as opposed to now going back to domain and then selecting this funnel as part of um, setting up the domain, right? So this is a cool time-saving feature which enables you to set the domain so that you don't have to go back to the domain setting and then link the funnel or the page to this page. This new update not only allows you to save and publish different versions, but it also has the ability to restore from previous versions in case you need to go back to something that you made a change and you now you have the ability to regain that previous version and also save time publishing to a specific domain directly from the page builder. Well, hopefully this video has been helpful for you. Until next time, see you in the next feature update of Go High Level. Bye now.